Understanding the phrase, quiet achiever. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, quiet achiever. This phrase is commonly used in both everyday and professional English. Our goal is to help you understand its meaning and usage, so you can confidently incorporate it into your English conversations. Let's get started. Quiet achiever refers to a person who accomplishes significant things but doesn't seek attention or recognition for their achievements. They are often modest, unassuming, and prefer to work quietly behind the scenes. This phrase is used to describe someone who is successful yet remains humble and doesn't boast about their accomplishments. Let's look at how quiet achiever can be used in sentences. Despite her low profile in the office, Sarah is a quiet achiever who has contributed significantly to our project's success. He's a quiet achiever. He doesn't talk much about his work, but his results speak for themselves. These examples show how the phrase is commonly used to describe people in various contexts, emphasizing their humility and effectiveness. In many cultures, being a quiet achiever is highly valued. It embodies the idea of being hardworking and competent without the need for external validation. This concept often contrasts with more outspoken or self-promoting individuals. Understanding this phrase also gives insight into the cultural emphasis on humility and diligence. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and use of the phrase, quiet achiever. It's a wonderful way to acknowledge someone's contributions without highlighting their need for recognition. Remember, language is not just about words, it's also about the values and ideas they represent. Thank you for watching, and we hope you'll continue to enjoy learning English with us.